Welcome everyone to a new edition of Business Nuggets, brought to you by Ascent Nominees, powered by Law Ascent. It's your host here again, Munachi Ogwayo. If you're a regular viewer of this channel, we really appreciate you tuning in as always to listen to our conversations in relating to businesses and how they relate to startup companies as well as already established corporations. And if you're new to our session today, welcome aboard. We're delighted to have you joining us this very moment. And we would also advise that you take a look at our Facebook page. We have a lot of videos there in which we discuss a lot of we discuss on a lot of topics in relating to businesses and how startup entrepreneurs as well as already established entrepreneurs could go further in terms of establishing the type of business they want and making the valuable profits and yielding the necessary returns they desire in terms of the steps they took in incorporating those businesses. Now, without further ado, would like to delve into the conversation or the topic for today. And today we'll be focusing on post-incorporation matters, what to do after your business has been incorporated. And if you are a regular viewer of this channel, you would be aware that for a couple of weeks now, we've been doing a marathon in relating to business nuggets. And so we've discussed on change of company names, we've discussed on filing annual returns and the likes of them. So today we'll just be giving you tidbits in terms of key things to know about when starting up or when you have actually registered your business and your business has become a full-fledged moving vehicle. Now, it is I don't need to go into the eccentric details of the fact that once a company has been incorporated, it becomes an artificial person in law. That is actually a valid standard rule. Now, once that company has been incorporated and it has become an artificial being in law, as a human being, and recognized in law as such, there are necessary steps that need to be taken to ensure that that company actually operates in the modus operandi of the law as well. That what it just means is basically channeling its activities, not just for the purpose of making profit, but also for the purpose of making necessary transactions as well as engaging in activities that ensures that it's not in breach of the law. And so it's necessary for company owners in relating to whether it's a startup company or already established companies, we always make references to this. Now, it's very important, it's necessary and very much key that when your company is incorporated, certain things need to be in place. Now, the first thing we'll be looking at today is TIN, which relates to the tax identification number. Now, tax identification number is a reference point in today's conversation because without a tax identification number for your company, there is no way you can actually operate in relation to making your necessary tax filings as a company. So what this means is that for every company willing to pay their tax, there's going to be a medium or a channel through which those taxes will be remitted through the tax identification number. And as such, it's very important for companies that have already been established, that have already been recognized, registered and recognized in law as artificial entities, as artificial bodies, to ensure that they have their tax identification number. And now, what are the benefits of getting a TIN, which in this case is a tax identification number? Now, the benefits are numerous. Now, key things to know about its benefits includes the fact that when it's in the particularly in the government sector, when you want to apply for maybe contract deals and whatnot, part of the things or the requirements you would need to produce is the evidence of payment of tax. You're not going to be awarded contracts as a valid company without having shown proof, necessary proof that you are tax compliant, that you pay your taxes. And like we said earlier, the method or the channel in which you would go through this is ensuring that as an already established company, you have a tax identification number for you to be able to engage in these purposes. Also, not wasting so much time relating to the TIN, another important step that companies need to take once they become fully fledged and operational is the area in relation to necessary filing of necessary license permits. Now, each company in relation to their sectors have various